Turning a neglected property into a cash cow might seem like a challenge, but with the right approach and effective property management, it's absolutely possible. A property that's been left to deteriorate can quickly drain resources and become a headache for investors. But by following a few key steps, you can turn things around and transform that underperforming asset into a solid source of income. Today, we'll walk you through how the power of property management can help you unlock the potential of a neglected property and turn it into a profitable investment. The first step in turning a neglected property into a cash cow is to conduct a thorough assessment. You need to know exactly what you're dealing with, both the good and the bad. This means inspecting the property from top to bottom, identifying any structural issues, outdated systems, or areas that need repair. You'll want to look at everything from the roof to the foundation, as well as plumbing, electrical systems, and appliances. A detailed inspection will give you a clear picture of the investment required to bring the property up to a livable, rentable standard. It's also a good idea to bring in professionals, contractors, inspectors, or even a property manager, who can provide an expert opinion on the cost of repairs and renovations. Once you have a clear assessment, the next step is to prioritize improvements that will deliver the best return on investment. Focus on repairs and upgrades that will make the property more attractive to renters while staying within a reasonable budget. Kitchens and bathrooms tend to give the best return on investment, so if they're outdated, consider modernizing them. Installing energy-efficient appliances or updating the lighting can also go a long way in attracting tenants. Cosmetic improvements like fresh paint or new flooring make the property more appealing without breaking the bank. The goal is to invest in upgrades that will allow you to raise the rent or fill vacancies faster, maximizing your cash flow. Another key to transforming a neglected property into a cash cow is curb appeal. First impressions matter. If the exterior of the property looks run down, potential tenants may not even bother looking inside. Simple upgrades like landscaping, painting the exterior, fixing broken fences, or adding outdoor lighting can make a huge difference. These improvements don't have to be expensive, but can make the property look well-maintained and inviting, which helps you attract tenants faster and potentially charge higher rent. Now let's talk about the power of effective tenant screening. One of the biggest mistakes landlords make is rushing to fill vacancies without properly screening tenants. Poor tenant selection can lead to late payments, property damage, and even eviction, all of which eat into your profits. A good property management company will conduct thorough background checks, verify employment, and check references to ensure that you're getting reliable tenants. This not only protects your investment, but also helps create a steady stream of income, as reliable tenants are more likely to stay long-term and pay on time. Another crucial factor in turning a neglected property into a cash cow is maintaining it. Consistent maintenance prevents small issues from becoming big, expensive problems. A property manager can help by creating a maintenance schedule to handle routine tasks like HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, and landscaping. This keeps the property in good shape and ensures that tenants remain satisfied, reducing turnover and vacancy rates. A well-maintained property also allows you to charge higher rent, as tenants are willing to pay more for a clean, well-functioning home. Communication is another often overlooked element of successful property management. Tenants appreciate landlords who are responsive to their needs. Quick responses to maintenance requests or concerns show tenants that you value them, which makes them more likely to stay longer and take care of the property. Happy tenants lead to fewer vacancies, which translates into more consistent rental income. By having a property manager act as the liaison between you and your tenants, you ensure that issues are addressed promptly, without the stress of handling it all yourself. Lastly, maximizing rental income involves setting the right rent price. It's important to strike a balance between getting the most rent possible and staying competitive in the local market. If you overprice your property, it could sit vacant for months, costing you money. Underpricing, on the other hand, means you're leaving money on the table. A property management company can help by analyzing the local market and setting a rent price that's competitive, but also maximizes your cash flow. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in turning neglected properties into profitable investments. From tenant screening and maintenance to rent collection and property upgrades, we handle everything needed to keep your property running smoothly and generating income. Our team's experience ensures your property is well maintained, your tenants are happy, and your bottom line is healthy. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us, and let's talk. In conclusion, turning a neglected property into a cash cow requires a smart strategy, careful management, and a focus on maximizing value. By making targeted improvements, maintaining the property, setting the right rent price, and carefully screening tenants, you can turn an underperforming asset into a steady source of income. If you need help managing your property and maximizing its potential, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City is here to help. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.